This short video illustrates one of the many conservation initiatives undertaken at Mercer Ranches. In alignment with our commitment to farming for the next 1,000 years, the preservation and enhancement of our natural environment remain fundamental to upholding and nurturing this core philosophy. In the spring of 2025, the Benton County Conservation District, in partnership with Mercer Ranches, successfully installed 14 Beaver Dam Analogs along a 3/4-mile stretch of Dead Canyon Creek at Mercer Ranches. These nature-based structures are designed to mimic the ecological engineering of beavers, effectively slowing water flow to recharge groundwater, reconnect the stream with its historic floodplain, and restore vital wetland habitats. To further bolster this restoration, 400 native trees and shrubs were planted with protective cages. This new vegetation works in tandem with the Beaver Dam Analogs to stabilize stream banks, filter out pollutants, provides essential shade that cools water temperatures for local aquatic species, and provides a thriving habitat for migratory and riparian birds. By creating a more complex and resilient ecosystem, this project helps buffer the landscape against drought and climate extremes while providing a thriving haven for Washington's native wildlife. One of the goals of this project was to slow and retain water in the creek. This increases the riparian zone and creates more wetlands and aquatic habitat. In addition, riparian vegetation can act as a fire break in a seasonally dry landscape. By planting native vegetation, terrestrial habitat quality is also improved through increased cover and eventually forage as plants mature and protective cages are removed. Currently, beavers use the surrounding areas of the farm but are absent in this stretch of the creek. More woody plants are needed for food and to build and maintain dams in the area. Once enough material is present, it is expected that beavers will reside in this portion of the creek and continue to improve creek health by building additional dams. Over time, dams recruit sediment, and the water level in both the creek and the groundwater table will rise. This encourages the spread of vegetation farther from the banks and allows the creek to rise and meander. The initial installation of Beaver Dam Analogs is beginning to achieve these goals by increasing pools and creek sinuosity. This is the first step of building a functional floodplain where water can spread when flows are high. Having a well-connected floodplain reduces erosion and prevents deepening of the main creek channel. Floodplains are highly productive lands that provide quality habitat for birds, amphibians, mammals, insects, and fish. In January and February of 2026, the Benton County Conservation District built 16 additional Beaver Dam Analogs and planted 1,350 trees and shrubs, which include coyote willow, chokecherry, quaking aspen, black cottonwood, mock orange, red osier dogwood, smooth sumac, golden currant, woods rose, hardstem bulrush, and cattail. This project is enhanced about 1.5 miles of Dead Canyon Creek, with 24 Beaver Dam Analogs and approximately 2,000 native trees and shrubs planted. This partnership has been a key component in creating more biodiversity, improving water quality, eliminating non-native weeds, and enhancing the natural environment at Mercer Ranches. It is another step forward in ensuring our goal of farming for the next 1,000 years.